Welcome back to Carib 21, where we share what's trending in and around the Caribbean. So today in Toronto, Canada, October 24, we are celebrating National Jerk Chicken Day. Yep, Jamaican culture is all over the world, and today we're celebrating Jamaican culture in Canada. So National Jerk Chicken Day. And I have a question. For those of you who love jerk chicken, what is your favorite side to go with jerk chicken? 1. Rice and peas and jerk chicken. 2. Bread and jerk chicken. You know the Ardo, Jamaican Ardo bread, jerk chicken, soak up all of the ketchup and all the juice from the... That's number 2. Number 3, festival. So 1, rice and peas. 2, Jamaican Ardo bread. And 3, Jamaican festival. List in the comment section which one is your favorite.